Yeah, thank you, ma. Joke Farm.
It's
Honestly,
jokes.
Jokes Farm. My name is Hilary. I reside in Abuja. I practice architecture, but I have very big passion for farming, specifically snail. When I storm into your page, YouTube channel, to me it was a blessing. Before that, I don't know that such thing exists in Nigeria. All my research I've made my visa and everything to travel to Ghana. Immediately I came back from China because I went to China some time ago, but I couldn't finance what I saw there. So when I stumbled into your page, and I said I should give it a trial with collaboration with my wife, and I have come and see. In fact, what is on the media, I think I would suggest that everybody should make out time to come and see.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
what you will see in media actually is 100% real, but seeing will make you to believe more. Because there are some other unexplainable ethics such as neatness and other things that you will see. I have come here. I think you need, if I'm in a position, you need a government recognition. Yes, because this is a lot of people are looking for a white collar job, but this is a venture where I think that every citizen can help
Thank you,
himself.
sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
because just like you said, the market is actually wide, just that people have not seen in that dimension. I can tell you that you are doing a great job.
Thank you,
You
sir.
are doing a great job.
So what's your experience with the snail shell recycling that you saw?
What I saw there, first of all, I give kudos to your innovation because it's what you explained to your fabricator that made him to come up with this. It's fantastic. 100% casual. 100 pure, naturally sterilized, treated. From one stage to another. And the funny part of it is only two crusher. After the first crushing, the last machine
Turns
get
it to
it done.
powder.
And it's edible to even
Yes,
to human being.
yes,
It's
yes.
very fantastic. You are doing a good job.
Thank you,
are doing
sir.
a good job.
Thank you, sir.
I can say that and beat my chest.
So will you recommend this class for
I
anyone?
will recommend it even to in fact, it's something everybody should do.
Come and do. Thank you, sir.
It's a very
Thank
lovely
you,
one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
So I wish you a safe trip back to Abuja.
Thank you very
He
much.
came all the way. He flew from Abuja
Yes.
down to Ibadan for
Yes.
this training. 2 days on the farm.
Yes.
We discussed different things as regards snail farming, management of the snails, treating the snails, how to properly set up the snail farm to reduce mortality in the farm. And then he also witnessed how we are crushing snail shells into powder. So we are waiting for you. Come and acquire this knowledge on
you.
snail farming.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.